How to update your phone to Android 10 right now. One of the best parts of owning a Google Pixel is its regular software updates. Google releases an update every month for its Pixel phones and BSP, and supports them for at least 2 years with full platform updates as well. The updates don't happen completely automatically, though. You still need to be involved to accept the update. Android 10 is here, and here's how to get it on your Pixel. How to update the software on your Pixel via OTA. 1. Open your settings. 2. Scroll down to the bottom to tap System. 3. Tap Advanced. 4. Tap on System Update. 5. Tap Check for Update in the bottom right corner and wait for the check. 6. Your system will report back as being up to date, or with an update pending. If you're on Wi-Fi, the update will download automatically. You can pause it at any time. If you are on mobile data, you'll have to opt into downloading the update immediately. 7. Once an update is downloaded and installed in the background, you will receive a notification to reboot your phone to install.